Oh yeah.
Let it rain,
Let's play good music.
let it rain, let it rain.
Raspa beats.
Emotions are digging my cemetery. This life's on the verge of these memories. Let it rain. I will lose it, give me some music, I'll use it for crying. I'm crying cause you're crying cause you kept on grinding and trying to keep this going. But I kept on defying your efforts to keep this burning. It was a burden, I tried to warn you about me. I told you to leave, but you couldn't see. Blinded by infatuation, you had no devotion. You made an assumption of my emotion, sick delusion. I had to lose you to find myself. Sobriety beating me up and anxiety eating me up as I choke on the pain and I cry in the rain as I overthink. I can see the truth hidden in your eye. I can see the truth hidden in your eye. I try to improvise, but I paid the price. I counted all the lies, I try to compromise. You lied to me like a fool that wasn't beautiful, no. You lied to me like a fool that wasn't beautiful, no. I'll just do the usual, I'll cry, boom, lay on the floor. Nothing here, just pain, that's all. I call, let it rain. I call, let it rain. Can you hear my fading voice? Can you hear my fading voice?
Do you hear me? I call your name. It's been a long time, hope your love chronic's still going great. I made a new friend, he doesn't talk much. I'm like an architect, I did a new art for my damaged heart, and my presence to you it meant nothing. So insecure, I'm driven by winning directions. Maybe I'm losing my blessings. People behind you will catch you and they ask why you bleeding. I'm sick of these tears I keep dropping. One in a decade, this love is creating an ocean. Hating was not my intention. I'm losing my patience and life kind of feels like a mission. Hereafter, in the aftermath, I'm still building forces, but can't make it forfeit. 3 in 1, if I'm getting nothing, still I count a million just to know it's worth it. Express true, I feel so lost and confused. Looking up high as you blue. Somebody should tell all these leaders to stop giving pictures, cause lying is all that they do. And love is a thorn in your heart. If you don't have scars, I'm sorry you've never loved. It's not even quite a prediction for someone like me, cause I don't even have any options. Imagination is the worst reality. Believing is all at your own risk. So how am I supposed to forget your name when these scars spell your name?
Emotions are digging my cemetery. This life's on the verge of these memories. Let it rain. Let it rain.
I call, let it rain. I call, let it rain. Can you
We
hear
fancy
my
music, cool guy
fading
on
voice?
it.
Can you hear my fading voice?